the ketogenic diet and why you should try it. Welcome to our video regarding the truth about the ketogenic diet and why you should try it. There are actually two kinds of keto diets, but more about that in a minute. When it comes to a diet plan for good health, in today's vegan-dominated world, little has been talked about the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a low-carb and high-fat diet that has many similarities with vegan and paleo diets, or even protein diets. Keto diet plans emphasize the intake of a lot of protein, but above that the intake of high-fat foods. The idea behind the ketogenic diet is to reduce carbohydrates to a great extent and replace them with fat. By doing so, the body's metabolism increases, and due to the increased metabolism the body burns fat faster. This results in the fact that sugar cravings are minimized, making the body live with ease without the need for sugar. This in turn reduces the blood sugar, keeping it balanced. Also, with a high-fat diet one would not feel hungry. When doing a ketogenic diet plan it is important to know what kind of fat is good and what is not. Fat that is rich in HDL cholesterol is what one should choose because HDL is the good cholesterol. So, in terms of foods, one can choose avocado, almonds and other nuts, olive oil, cottage cheese and fish, which are good options to choose when it comes to good fat. However, one should consume less red meat and other animal fats, and products that have high amounts of LDL, the bad cholesterol. There are two kinds of keto diets, the standard keto diet, and the cyclical keto diet. The standard keto diet would involve going for a moderate protein, high fat and low carb. One could include 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carb to the diet. The cyclical keto diet involves going for a no-carb and high-fat diet for 5 days in a week and moderate carb 2 days a week. In any case, as a rule of thumb the total carb intake must not exceed 35% in a week. When you follow a ketogenic diet plan your main goal is to lose weight, which will happen due to the very much reduced intake of carbohydrates. But when it comes to health, one could question a keto plan, as it isn't well balanced, hasn't a lot of fruits and vegetables in its recipes, and certainly is not alkaline. Please note, before starting any new dieting program, it's always a good idea to consult with your primary care provider or a dietitian. To adopt the keto diet the smart way, download this free bulletproof plan right below. By clicking the link in the description, you will be able to use a framework that would enable you to adopt the keto diet the smart and efficient way. If you want to permanently say goodbye to all that unwanted fat, you have to play the keto game correctly. Download our free bulletproof keto diet blueprint below so you can turn the keto diet into a sustainable, long-term weight loss lifestyle. Thanks for watching our ketogenic diet video. Please see the next video regarding the ketogenic diet and our previous video of how much weight can you lose on the keto diet? Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of our next upload.